Hi guys, today I'd like to talk to you about making a set of a given number. As you can see here, I have a card with the number 5 on it, and I have some hot air balloons. You're going to need to have your parents or you write numbers 0 through 20 on an index card or a piece of paper, and then go collect at least 20 objects that you can use to create a set. A set is a collection of objects. So on this card, I need 5 hot air balloons because we are making a set of 5. So help me count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see I needed 5 and I made a set or a collection of 5 hot air balloons. Let's try another one. Let's try a bigger number this time. All right, so now you can see on my card I have the number 11. So how many hot air balloons do I need? Right, I need 11. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So remember, when you're making your set, you need to look at the number that's given. Like on this example, it's the number 11. And then you need to find objects, 11 of them, and make a set or a collection of objects on your set card. Hope you have fun today making sets with your parents. Remember, parents, mix those numbers up. Do not let your child do them in order. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.